When comparing GFRP rebar with steel rebar, several key differences emerge. Steel rebar. Steel is widely used across industries due to its strength. However, it is prone to moisture and corrosion, which can limit its applications and necessitate costly maintenance over time. Its heavy weight also increases transportation and installation costs. GFRP rebar, glass fiber reinforced polymer. GFRP rebar is gaining popularity due to its resistance to corrosion and chemicals, making it ideal for marine and open-air applications. GFRP rebar offers 20% higher tensile strength than steel and better bonding force, enhancing its durability. Its lightweight nature reduces transportation costs, and customizable manufacturing allows for niche-specific enhancements like increased abrasion or corrosion resistance. Comparison. Weight. GFRP is much lighter than steel. Strength. GFRP has a higher tensile strength. Electrical conductivity. Steel is conductive, GFRP is not. Thermal conductivity. GFRP is a better insulator. Corrosion resistance. GFRP is superior. Cost. GFRP reduces overall costs due to lower transportation and maintenance expenses. Final thoughts. GFRP rebar is often the better choice for applications requiring superior thermal, corrosion, and chemical resistance, as well as for projects where reduced weight is beneficial. However, steel remains essential for applications requiring electrical conductivity. Overall, GFRP rebar is a cost-effective and durable alternative to steel rebar in most scenarios.